How does paying with cash work on DoorDash?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how paying with cash works on DoorDash. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to use cash for your DoorDash orders, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and find out.
Can I pay with cash on DoorDash?
The first question that often comes to mind is whether DoorDash accepts cash as a payment method. Unfortunately, DoorDash is primarily a cashless platform, meaning that most orders are paid for using electronic payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or online wallets. This cashless approach provides convenience and streamlines the delivery process.
Is cash an option in certain situations?
While DoorDash generally prefers electronic payments, there are some limited situations where cash may be accepted. For example, certain restaurants on DoorDash may offer the option for customers to pay with cash upon delivery. However, it's important to note that this option is not available for all restaurants or in all areas. So, before placing an order, you should check if the cash payment option is available for the specific restaurant you wish to order from.
How does cash payment on DoorDash work?
If the restaurant you're ordering from supports cash payments, here's a general overview of how the process works. 1. Place your order. Start by browsing through the available restaurants on DoorDash and selecting the items you'd like to order. 2. Check for cash payment option. During the checkout process, you'll typically be asked to choose your preferred payment method. If the restaurant supports cash payments, you may see an option like Pay with Cash. 3. Prepare cash. Make sure to have exact change or the appropriate amount of cash ready before the delivery arrives. This will ensure a smoother transaction. 4. Delivery and payment. Once you've placed your order, a DoorDash driver will be assigned to deliver it to you. When the driver arrives at your location, they will provide you with the order. You can then hand over the cash payment to the driver. It's essential to note that DoorDash drivers are not able to provide change, so having the correct amount is crucial. 5. Confirmation and completion. After you've paid with cash, the driver will complete the transaction on their device, confirming that the payment has been received. You'll also have the opportunity to rate your experience and leave a tip for the driver. To wrap things up, while DoorDash primarily operates as a cashless platform, there are some instances where cash payment may be an option, depending on the restaurant you choose. Remember to check for the cash payment option during the checkout process, have the exact amount of cash ready, and ensure a smooth transaction with the DoorDash driver. We hope this video clarified how paying with cash works on DoorDash. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy ordering!